In this video, we'll learn how to work with some custom design. So previously, we have created this apply filter button here, but it doesn't look like a button. So how can we make it look like a button? One way is to use the default formatting on Tableau. So what we can do is we go to format, let's add some shading to it. Let's change the font color. And maybe add a border. So there we have a sort of button looking box now here. So now what if we want to create our own custom apply button? What we can do is first to maybe create or download a apply button here and save it as an image. Alright, the next step is to put them into the Tableau custom shape folder. So where we can find them is probably in the documents. You will see a Tableau repository. So here you will go into the folder and you will see shapes. So over here I have already created a custom folder where I put in all my custom shape. Now what I want to do is to drag all these custom images I want to use. So I also have another image that I will show in a while how we're going to use this. I'll add this diamond icon shape here. So now let's drag these two custom images into the folder. And then let's go back to Tableau. Okay, so first let's go to this apply filter worksheet. Now let's put a placeholder. And we can remove this. Alright, so now we want to use a custom shape. So how do we do that is to actually select shape here. And we can go to shape, more shapes, and then we go to our custom filter. So you will see that now we have the custom images here. You might need to hit on reload shapes to refresh the images. So here we have our apply all button. Let's click on OK. And you see that now we have our apply all button here. And then let's do some formatting. I think there's some dividers that we don't need. Let's remove all of them. Make sure that all these are removed. Alright. Now let's go back to our dashboard. Now you will see that we have our nice custom apply button here. So it will work the same. So we can change all these filters and then hit on the apply button. Okay, next, let's see how we can work with the custom shapes on our scatter plot. So let's go to this scatter plot worksheet. And you will see that we are already using shape here automatically for our scatter points over here. So if we go to shape here, we have a variety of options. We can use the default shapes available in Tableau. We can also use our own custom shape here. So like earlier, I've added in the diamond shape. So here I can click on my diamond icon. You can't see it here because it's a transparent shape, but you'll see it after I have selected this shape. There we go. So let's increase the size to see it clearer. There we have our custom diamond shape on our scatter plot.